Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to align text in Capcut. Let's begin. Aligning text in Capcut is a simple and quick process that helps make your text look clean and professional. Whether you're adding titles, captions, or subtitles, aligning text properly ensures it fits well with the video and looks visually balanced. So how you can align text in Capcut? It's kind of easy thing to do. Once you open the Capcut app, I want you to click the project that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the new project, click this button so you can begin your work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific project. Right, so as you can see, I have this specific video here. I'm gonna click the overlay, and then I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna extend this all the way up here, right? And I'm going to add a text. For you to do that, hover down below where you can see the text right here. Now you can add your text. You have multiple options. You can create and add text, auto captions, text to audio, which we have covered in the past that you might want to check in our G Blast YouTube channel. But for now, we're going to put in a very basic text. For example, we're going to put in G Blast. Of course, you can hover to the styles. You can choose from any of the following font style here. For example, this, you can choose this. So there's a lot that you can work with. All right, so what about this one? All right, so I have that in place, this one right here. For you to be able to align it, all you have to do is press the text using your finger and then move it wherever you want. Reposition here, at the bottom, on top, on the side, left and right, you have all that option. If you see this drag option, you can also use that to increase the size of the text, rotate it, and you can do a lot more. All right, so that's going to be one of the easiest way for you to align your text. And once you are happy with this, all right, want to make sure that all the essentials are in place. So I have the text right here, and once you are happy with it, you see this export button on the top right corner. I want you to click on it. You have multiple options here. You can save a copy of this project or this file so that you can save it for repurpose, or send this project or video to your client for feedback. Or if you're a part of a collaborative environment, send it to your team members. And then basically that's how you align text in Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.